In Islam, praying, Salah or Namaz, is the second pillar of Islam and an essential act of worship. The method of praying is similar for both men and women, with some slight differences in posture for modesty and ease, especially in the way women position themselves during the prayer. General steps of prayer, Namaz, for both men and women. 1. Preparation before prayer. Cleanliness, perform wudu, ablution. Clean clothes and place. Face the Qibla, direction of Kaaba. Know which prayer, e.g. Fajr, Zuhr, you're offering. 2. Steps of performing one rak'ah of Salah. Each rak'ah consists of several steps. 1. Niyya, intention. Make a silent intention in your heart for the specific prayer, e.g., I intend to pray Fajr. 2. Takbir al-ihram, starting the prayer. Raise both hands to ears, for men, / shoulders, for women, and say, Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest. 3. Qiyam, standing. Place right hand over the left, on the chest for women, slightly below chest or above navel for men. Recite Surah al-Fatiha. Another short surah, e.g., Surah Ikhlas. 4. Ruku, bowing. Say Allahu Akbar and bow. Hands on knees, men spread fingers, women keep arms close. Say Subhana Rabbiyal Azim 3 times. 5. Standing again, comma. Stand up straight and say Sami Allahu liman hamida. Then say Rabbana lakal hamd. 6. Sujud, prostration. Say Allahu Akbar and go into prostration. 7 points on the ground, forehead, nose, both palms, knees, and toes. Say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times. 7. Jalsa, sitting between sujud. Sit and say Rabbi for li. Then perform second sujud. Repeat these steps for every rak'ah. Fajr, 2 rak'ah. Zuhr, Asr, Isha, 4 rak'ah. Maghrib, 3 rak'ah. Tashahhud, sitting after 2 rak'ahs. In second and final rak'ah, sit after sujud and recite At-Tahiyyatu lillahi. Ashhadu alla ilaha illa Allah. In final rak'ah, also recite salawat durud. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. And end with dua if desired. End prayer by saying taslim. Turn head to the right and say As-salamu alaykum wa rahmatullah. Then to the left, say the same. The key differences between men and women in Salah, prayer, primarily relate to body posture and modesty. During takbir, men raise their hands up to their ears, while women raise theirs only to the shoulders. When it comes to the hand position in qiyam, standing, men place their hands below the chest or above the navel, whereas women place their hands on the chest. In ruku, bowing, men keep their back straight and elbows pointed outward, while women keep their elbows in and the body more tucked in. During sujud, prostration, men position their arms away from the body, while women keep their arms close to the body to maintain modesty. Finally, in the sitting posture, jalsa, men typically sit with one foot upright, while women sit with both feet tucked to the right side. These differences are based on principles of modesty, comfort, and the natural build of each gender,